going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. In today's episode, we are going to work on our Acura MDX. As you guys can see, it's on the lift right now, and I'm going to show you guys what's going on with this underneath the car. So stay tuned. It's been almost 3 years since we have actually applied the fluid film on the Acura MDX. Actually, I lifted the car up after 3 years here. Obviously, I've lifted this car many times, but I just want to show you guys exactly the power of having the fluid film or any sort of a protection coating for winter time is doing on our underbelly for our Acura MDX. As you guys can see, there's still some remnants of the previous spray that we've done, and technically here I just basically added a few more in areas that looks like it's a little thinner than usual. So as you guys can see, the car is fairly clean, rust free, that's for sure. That's what happens if you do, take care of the car and keep it clean as much as you can and protecting the bottom here. So from this angle, just want to show you guys exactly how it looks like from here. Looking nice. And exhaust system here, it's fairly clean. I didn't apply any fluid film in this regard, but I do clean the exhaust system, the pipes every once in a while, so that way they don't rust up before the winter time. So as you guys can see, nice and shiny, pretty nice. So anyways guys, that's the power of getting it fluid film protected. Everything is rust free underneath here, guys. So, and the applications I've done 3 years ago, it's still protecting the car nicely, which is really amazing. So basically I just added a few more. Well, from year to year, I just spray other areas that normally get thinner in the process. So anyways guys, as you can see, it's looking nice. Solid underbelly. So it's truly worth applying. I missed a spot right there, so I'm gonna apply a few more. And anyways guys, just want to show you how well this car is turning out with our fluid film application for the past many years. If you guys ever have the chance to actually apply a fluid film on your car, I buy a bucket like this and I just basically apply it using a brush, and then I have the bottle spray to spray it on the areas that I cannot reach. Anyways, until next time, peace out.